Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam Leonardo Tango.
Today we are going to work on exercises that you can apply to uncross the follower.
This is a very important technique. We always find out in our seminars that a lot of people are not leading properly, or also followers are not really clean at that. So this will really help you.
But before going to the video, remember to subscribe with notifications, like and share with your friends. That really helps.
Now let's get to work.
Okay, here we are. This is talking about how to uncross the follower and follow what we have to do to feel that lead. Okay, let's do that.
We'll show you first the exercise, and then we are going to give you all the tips you need. One, actually, and this is a very nice step to do at the Milonga. Pam, we'll do it 3 times. So, and then, of course, we can exit. But in this case, we are using just as an exercise.
Yes, if you notice, we are keeping the close embrace to have more control and to let the legs like kind of doing a bend, a pendulum effect, so it's more natural.
Also, you will learn, leaders, to keep the timing, her timing, yes? We have a natural timing on her leg while she flies back, flies. While she extends her leg back and crosses, we don't have to rush that leg.
Okay, let's do it one more time. Embrace is very important. I have the shoulders very low, so I can feel all the lead. Side step. This is in cross system for the leader. So he will go front with the left leg. When he's moving, I feel like going to the next step with my right because his chest is leading me there. But in the middle, he's returning and pulling to my left. So that will cross my position. And I keep the legs straight. If you notice, I'm not going here. Don't do this. Lift. And from here, when I feel the lead on my left side to uncross, I send the leg to the front. So be sure, followers, let's go to the cross again. Sure. Be sure don't uncross here.
You.
See, bending the knees, going up. Not nice. We are going to extend, do a little cake to the front, 2 feet together, waiting for the leader. So be careful with the distance of this step. Don't try to make it large by yourself. He's keeping the close embrace. So this should be short step, lift. So I can fly the right leg, flying back to the cross, lifting again, point front, feet together, small step left, keep going with the right, cross point, point front, and feet together. So the best position for the follower to be able to follow, to feel this lead, is to keep the legs straight and feel how he does. The very tiny step to the cross point. Tiny, large, cross point. Tiny, large, cross point. Respect all these points, these places. Don't try to shortcut or make it down too grounded to bending your knees. Yeah. Lift and fly the legs back and front, back and front.
All right, until here before we continue with the second part.
We have our online tango school on our website, Miriam Leonardo Tango, online tango training.
You're going to find a huge variety of videos that will really help you improve your tango. You can be a member of our website, or also you can purchase the courses directly as a downloadable course.
A great work to improve at home and shine at the Milonga. Now, let's go to the second part of the video.
Why she's doing that. Leaders, we have to be aware of that and how she knows that she has to do that, and it comes all from our lead. That's why, leaders, we have to be aware of that. So when we are leading this, she was mentioning short step, the next one, correct? She was doing short step, but why she's doing short step and not long is because we are lifting her. So I'm using a little bit my forearm and my rib cage to scoop her up. If I won't do that, she will have the freedom to do it long if she wants. She will not, because she will try to keep the connection with me if she's a good follower. But lifting her, for sure, she will do a small step. And this is where we take the advantage of doing a little larger. Why a little larger than her? Because when we transfer body weight, I want to have my rib cage a little more ahead to send the leg. Can you see that? She's almost, if we exaggerate 100%, she's almost hanging away from me. And we produce that from lifting and moving my ribcage forward. That's point one. Now she's crossing because I'm pulling with my right shoulder blade. Tack. At the same time, and here's the main technique because we want to talk about uncrossing. She will not uncross by herself. She's there waiting for next. She will not uncross by herself. So leaders, we need to lift her with our rib cage. Let me do that one more time. So I'm stepping not too close to her because she will get trapped with my foot. Not too far apart because she will end up leaning or stepping forward. So we have to find the sweet spot that is around her, especially around, not in front, around. So when we rotate, that will be the rotate and lift. That will be the lead for the uncrossing. One more time. Around, rotating, lifting. That will be the uncrossing. And we'll repeat this. Lifting her. One, rib cage, around. At the same time, and this is the same time. As she crosses back, I'm changing body weight to my right. Tack, tack. So if we put numbers, will be 1, 2, step, lift. 1, leg, step, lift. Did you notice that? So if you keep that timing with her,
rhythm.
yeah, that connection with her, that communication, it'll be much easier to do it.
The rhythm is very important, it's the most important part because then you create a pendulum. If you cut the rhythm, if you do it slower or without the rhythm, there's no way she can feel, oh, okay, back, cross, front, back, cross, front. It's more natural when you keep the rhythm. Let's rotate
sure.
And let's do it this way because the embrace is very important. Followers keep the shoulders down, shoulder blade to feel all the lead. Side step 1, short step 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1, 2 and 3.
Very good. So did you notice that we can syncopate quick, 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 doing like uncrossing, going, sending the leg. Let me show you one more time, like the way we just did, just for you to understand. We go 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. That can be one of the timing which is fast, or we can do it slow. 1 and 2 and 3, lift 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. We will recommend that using slow timing at first is better, and then try to syncopate once you have this proper. If you are still here, thank you very much because that is a great support for us.
Thanks so much. Remember to share with your friends, like, and see you on the next video.
Take care.